Here are the top 5 free things you can do at Perfect Day at CocoCay. Starting off at number 5, you can visit one of the sports courts where you can challenge your squad to a complimentary pickup game of volleyball, basketball, or even cornhole. Number 4 is for the kiddos. They'll be able to experience thrills by splashing the day away at one of the complimentary water parks, Splashaway Bay and Captain Jill's Galleon. If you like to chill, number 3 is for you, because you can lounge in the sun or the shade with complimentary chairs and umbrellas at South Beach, Chill Island, and Harbor Beach. At number 2, we have Oasis Lagoon, which is the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. Admission is complimentary and it features a swim-up bar and plenty of in-water seats. And finally, at number 1, you can fuel your adventures with complimentary island bites like Skipper's Grill, Chill Grill, and Snack Shack.